DRC85 bird seeds forming machine can be used for producing bird seeds with different shapes and sizes by changing the molds. Combined procedures into one. Filling materials forming shape cooling. Demolding conveying and cooling. Controlled by Siemens PLC and touch screen with friendly interface. The staff could 180-degree rotate the touch screen. Flexible and convenient. The controller languages can be Chinese, English, French, Arabic, Spanish, Russian, etc. Equipped with 2 sets of mechanical pressing molds. Does not hurt materials and without material wastage. The forming molds are made by TIFI and includes 36 pieces. The mold cavity can be designed with different shapes and sizes as customer requirements, such as cylinder, ball, square, round, cake, heart, triangle. Equipped with sensors to accurately check the forming mold's position, so the pressing mold could tightly fit. Makes super serial bar shaping. The conveying belt is made by TIFI to avoid the material sticking on the belt. Also meet food grade, using high performance frequency inverter. Easy adjust speed, high efficiency. It can produce 24-hour continuously. After forming procedure and demolding procedure, there has fans to cool down the cereal bar to normal temperature. Easy operation, clean and maintenance. Thank you for watching.